Right, Paul, what have we got today?
Right, hi folks, even colder today. DIY quadcopter with my flight controller on it. Oh, here we go again.
Yeah.
So the new version of software for flight controller will do 7 different multicopters. If fly beta flight, I've implemented my own version of air mode and anti-gravity, so it flies quite well actually. Let's give it a go.
We'll soon find out.
Yeah.
Famous last words,
Yeah,
Paul?
the phone tapes on there is I have a tendency to headbutt it on the floor, so.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this camera doesn't focus very well on the close-up because I've got it on long range.
So you have one prop that's off balance. Going for a loop. Roll. Try and keep it close to your bob.
Yeah.
Split S or Immelman, which it is. So stall turn.
Ish. Found you again, it's alright.
Right, I'm going to go straight up, Bob.
Right.
Ready?
Yeah.
And no throttle.
There you are. You want to try that again?
Yeah.
Oh, love.
So this is going to be full throttle.
Yeah.
And it's what's called anti-gravity, so it remains under full control. So ready?
Yeah.
And that's
No.
minimum throttle. If I,
Yeah.
if I go up then, slowly,
Yeah.
and I just drop.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
So that's now minimum throttle, it's under full control. Oh, you lost it anyway.
Hey? Yeah, it's quite difficult to see, yeah.
Right, going for a loop.
Trouble.
Stay over there, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, going for a loop.
No.
No. Alright, I won't loop then. Right. Got 7 different multicopters on it now. So it's QUADCOPTER, Quad Plus, Tricopter, Singlecopter, Dualcopter, Bicopter and Chinook.
Ooh.
Bob.
Look at that. All done by that little thing that I can't keep up on. Very nice, Paul.